po si Paulo Daet, subli operator ng LCC Legazpi. Nag-run po yung machine ng 6 days na may total of 36 meters. Printer head clean, nozzle check, punas ng cutting at wiper after head clean. Ink system ay tama lang. Waste tank, EVR naka 220 volts. Dito po yung inks, yung used and unused po. Dito po muna nakalagay yung sabre roll. Consumable monitoring ng Sayan, magenta, yellow, black, and yung Sabli paper po. Sabli daily output record, Sabli daily checklist.